Good evening friends. In previous video we have learned about video tag by which we can insert any video in our web page, that means in HTML file. In today's video we will learn about audio tag, that means how can we insert any audio, voice or any song in our HTML page, that we will learn today. So we have already written some code like HTML head title, and we have given title as audio in web page. So for that we will first of all write here heading h1. Our heading will be audios or voices. After that here we will write our audio tag. So first of all you have to write here audio, AUDIO, and inside audio we will write here source, complete source, then src, and inside src we will give the path or location of the voice. It is similar like video tag. After that we will close the source tag, or also we can skip it. We have to copy here our source location. For that I will upload here our voices. So we will click on these upload files and I will go to my files, and here we can select any audio from our file. So I will select some audios from here, like this is one audio, and after that I will upload some another audios. Weird name. So our first is laksh.mp3. So I will upload this. Here I will write here laksh.mp3. So now here in audio tag we will write here controls. For controls button. So after that if we run it, so you can see here this is our audio. If we play it, so it should be work. Okay, now it is working. Song is playing. Similarly we can add more another audios, and also we can control it, like we can, if we play it, but if we click on this mute button, so audio will be mute, and we can download here, like click on download. So this is our first audio, and after that we can copy it up to source to audio, copy and paste it again. So this is our second time audio. Here we will rename it as music.mp3. So instead of Lakshya, I will write here music.mp3. Similarly, again we will paste it. And instead of Lakshya, I will write here this music, but it has very long name, so we will short it as Arambh. So rename it, and here we will change the name Lakshya to Arambh. So now after that we can add one another. So here we can it also as Devotional. Rename it. And we will paste here again another audio. instead of Laksh, here we will write Krishna. Cut it, paste it here.
So now you can see here we have added 4 different musics or songs. You can add another music or song. So if we run it, we can hear there are 4 voices. So one by one we can play it. Like if we play,
so this music is playing. After that, there is
one another music
which
can be played here. We can
play
play
music
music
simultaneously.
simultaneously. This is also being played. But some musics are very long, so it is taking time to load. And we can continue with Chrome also.
So that's how we can add music. And if we want gap between these music, so we can use break tag between them. And also we can provide heading to each of the music. Like this is meaning of this song. So
Now we will pause it. So that's how we can add music in our quick pitch.